We picked up the 2025 Land Rover Range Rover Sport PHEV on a cold winter night, and it didn't take long for it to impress. Starting our journey in EV mode near Newark Airport, the SUV moved effortlessly and silently, gliding through chaotic highways and rough city streets. The electric motor's whisper-quiet nature gave a sense of calm isolation, making it feel more like a rolling luxury suite than a typical SUV. What surprised us most was just how far the electric range could take us. With a nearly full battery, we managed over 40 miles in EV mode, without even tapping into the gas engine. That battery? A generous 32 kilowatt-hour pack, far larger than most plug-in rivals. It matches closely with the EPA's 53-mile estimate and even rivals Mercedes-Benz PHEVs. When the gas engine finally kicked in, the switch was seamless, so smooth, you'd barely notice. Under the hood sits a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six, delivering a combined 454 horsepower. That's more than enough muscle to make this SUV feel athletic, especially considering its weight. Despite tipping the scales at over 6,000 pounds, it rockets from 0 to 60 in just 4.8 seconds, beating out both lesser Range Rover models and the previous gen hybrid. Inside, the luxury continues. From a commanding driving position to thick underthigh support in the seats, comfort is never compromised. The cabin is modern and tech-heavy, though the touchscreen climate and audio controls do take some getting used to. Ride quality is buttery smooth thanks to air springs and adaptive dampers, even on massive 23-inch wheels. On the road, the Range Rover Sport PHEV delivers confident grip and responsive handling, but it shines brightest when driven as intended, silently cruising in EV mode. With better efficiency, faster acceleration, and the same Range Rover luxury, this plug-in hybrid elevates every mile. In a market full of compromises, the 2025 Range Rover Sport PHEV shows you can truly have it all: luxury, power, and eco-conscious performance.